Steve Baser here, Application Engineer with Lincoln Electric. Today, I'm going to show you how to locate the battery and change the battery on one of our 1840 series Viking welding hoods. So if we flip it over, look on the inside, you'll see the battery compartment right here. You can use a quarter. I got a flathead screwdriver on me. Loosen that up. Take that out, make sure you don't lose it. And here you'll see a 2450 3-volt lithium battery. Right there. This battery is going to come standard on the 1840, the 2450, and the 3350. So this battery does come pre-installed as well. So go ahead and click it back in. And you'll feel it click. You're ready to weld.